The time for talk is over. It's time to vote.
He's back, the Barack Obama from the 2008 campaign trail. We remember him well, the spirited defender of the middle class, aggressive apostle of change, and energetic challenger of the status quo. The old Obama has been out giving rousing speeches recently, like the one this past week at Arcadia University in suburban Philadelphia.
It's right for the United States of America, and if you share that belief, I want you to stand with me and fight with me, and I ask you to help us get us over the finish line these next 2 weeks.
The new combativeness is a welcome change for many Democrats who have complained that their president has been too cerebral and too laid back in promoting health care legislation. But will this be enough to save the stalled legislation, especially with the Republican resistance raising many doubts with the public? Democratic strategists say that passage will create a whole new political atmosphere and generate momentum for other legislation this year, including financial reform and job creation programs and maybe energy and environmental legislation. Tim Kaine is the chairman of the Democratic National Committee, and he told me in an interview that health care passage will make all the difference.
So this bill passes, then there's immediate deliverables that Americans start to see. Protection from some of the worst insurance abuses. Parents can keep their kids on their policy till they're age 27. Seniors get assistance covering prescription drug costs in that donut hole in Medicare.
What all this means is that President Obama and his allies are finally moving from selling a process, a very messy process, to win passage inside the congressional sausage factory, to selling a product, a comprehensive new approach to health insurance and health care itself. It's the last stand on health care for Obama and his party that controls the House and Senate, and they're gambling that will lead them to a higher standing in the polls and a political recovery in this November's midterm elections. For U.S. News and World Report, I'm Ken Walsh.